Good afternoon, friends. Today in this video, we will learn about what is data. So, data is a collection of raw facts, figures, and statistics that are gathered from various sources and can take many forms. These raw input are the foundation for any kind of analysis, processing, or decision making. Data can be anything that can be observed and recorded, from simple numeric values such as age or temperature to more complex forms such as customer behavior, social media interaction, or sensor data from IoT devices. Next, we will learn about what is the key characteristics of data. So there are many characteristics of data. First is raw and unprocessed data. This data in its initial form is raw, unorganized, and not yet subjected to any kind of analysis or transformation. Variety. Data can exist in various formats like numeric, text, categorical, image, audio, video. Sources of data come from wide range of sources like databases, sensors, application, social media website, or manual entries. Example include transactional data, sensor data, survey data, scalability. With advance in technology, data can now be gathered in massive volumes, commonly referred to as big data, which consists of high volume, high velocity, and high variety data generated at a large scale. Now, what are the types of data? Types of data are basically four types of data. First is structured data. The data is highly organized and easy searchable. It is typically stored in relational databases with rows and columns like SQL, Excel, spreadsheets. Examples of structured data are employee record, product catalog, financial statements. Second, it's unstructured data. The data that is not organized in a predefined manner, making it more difficult to analyze and search. These data often lack clear structure such as social media posts, email, audio, video, and sensor reading. Example of unstructured data are social media content, email, blog posts, images, and video files. Third type of data is semi-structured data, a mix of both structured and unstructured data, often having some form of organization but not enough to fit into a relational database, is called as semi-structured data. Example of this is JSON, XML, and log files. Fourth is metadata. The data about data that provide information about other data. It helps with organization, discovery, and management. Example of this type of data is file type, file size, creation date of document, tags on social media, and content. Next is usage of data. The usage of data is like business intelligence, data science, and machine learning analytics. In case of business intelligence, tools like Power BI, Tableau, QuickSense use data to generate report, dashboard, and visualization that provide key insight into business operations. Use case of business intelligence tools are Sales Manager uses a BI dashboard to track monthly sales performance across various regions. Data science and machine learning. Data is the foundation of data science, where it is cleaned, processed, and used to train machine learning models for predictive analysis, automation, and AI-driven application. Use case of data science and machine learning are a bank uses customer transaction data to build a fraud detection system using machine learning algorithm. Analytics. Basically, it is also called as data analytics. Company use data analytics to analyze behavior, preferences, and engagement, helping them to improve services and create personalized experience. Use case of data analytics are all as online retailer uses browsing and purchase history to recommend product to customer through personalized email and web ads.